Here I have a really nice New Hampshire 494, 495 diesel combo given to me by a friend who passed away a few years ago. And I worked on the locomotive and got that running pretty nice. And I knew this model was equipped with a famous diesel roar. So I was really excited. I tried it out. It didn't roar, so I thought I'll open it up and see what happens. And here's what I saw. So I opened it up. So, and when I took it apart, this is what I found. A headlight and nothing else. There were never even any signs of a diesel roar or a speaker having been installed in this. Absolutely nothing. So that's when I decided I needed to make my own diesel roar. So what makes a diesel roar? A diesel roar is made with this vibrator right here. This is a device you would find in a old car radio, tube car radio. This is a vibrator right here, and it was used in car radios to turn DC into AC. Inexpensive component at the time, and it's used in the American Flyer, both in the air chime whistle controller that we have right here. So it was used in that, and also in the diesel roar. So this diesel roar unit right here is one I bought on eBay a couple years ago and fitted it into a 361, which already had a speaker and the components. So this is what it sounds like. You can see it vibrating right here. And, increase the voltage. Gets louder and louder. Not a lot faster, but pretty effective diesel roar. All the way up, full speed. Take it back down to an idle. Now we're going to pause. And here we have the chassis from my diesel engine, my 495 diesel engine. As I said, this chassis did not have a speaker, did not have a diesel roar, it had nothing. So what I did is I took an air chime whistle unit like this, and I removed the vibrator from it right here. This is what one looks like before it's taken out. There was some rewiring required for it to work for the diesel roar, and here's what it sounds like. So we have low speed, pick up the voltage. As we go faster, you hear the revs increase on the diesel engine. Approaching full speed now. Bring it back down. Back to an idle. And personally, I think this sounds better than the other unit. It's partly by accident. The vibrator can actually be tuned by bending the contacts in a certain way, and actually this distance right here can be adjusted, at least with this unit. The other things I had to do to make this work, this had no speaker, so I made a speaker enclosure right here with my 3D printer. This is a little 1.5-inch speaker I had laying around, and put an on-off switch in it. Requires two components, a 15 ohm resistor right here and a 22 microfarad electrolytic capacitor. And I followed the wiring the same way as it was done in my other unit, and I'm quite pleased with it. So I hope you enjoy this. Any questions, drop me a line. Thanks. Bye.